Hey guys, Jared Wesley of Live Traders here. How you guys doing? I'm still back here in Pennsylvania at my house back here. I will be leaving for Japan on Monday. I'll be there a couple weeks, but I'll be trading from there as well, just for a little bit. I'm going to go see my family. My wife and kids are over there. I wanted to take a minute and talk about today's trades on PCRX and SPOT. I did record the open today. It was $911 in about 10 minutes, guys, which is kind of more accustomed to what I'm used to in terms of two trades, two winners, and then moving on. But lately, the last few days, it's been a little bit more choppy. Yesterday was very good. Today is better. So I'm risking $300. So today I made about 3-to-1, 3 times my risk. When I get that risk up to $1,000, $2,000, you're going to see $5,000 days and $6,000 days. But as I've been saying to you guys, I'm raising my risk slowly to prove a point to traders that it's not how much money you risk, it's how well you trade. So I've gone from $50 and I'm up to $300 risk right now, and I'll get to 500, 1,000 over the next 3 to 6 months. So you'll be able to look back through the year and see that progression. But anyway, I want to talk a little bit about PCRX, guys, and then you guys can watch me trade the open live. Which is about 8 minutes long. So that's a montage that's right after this, okay? So PCRX, guys, first and foremost, we always look at the daily chart first, okay? First and foremost. Guys, look at this gap down on PCRX, okay? Wide range green bar, and this stock gapped under both green bars and the pivot and this area as well, with room down to about $32. So the shock value, guys, a lot of folks bought this stock, right? It bottomed out, it bounced, it pulled back, and then it continued to move higher. And yesterday, a lot of people bought the stock thinking, well, gosh, it looks like it's going to go back to $46. And if you asked me yesterday, I would have said the same thing. Hey, this stock looks higher. Looks like it's going to go higher and continue back to 46. And then we wake up today, look at our pre-market chart and go, whoa, what a gap down on this thing, taking out both of those red bars. So if you bought this stock at $40 and the next day you woke up was at 36, you're down 10%, how would you feel? The answer is simply not good, not good at all. All right. So to me, that was major shock value, and I had to have this on my list. And you guys can see on my favorites list, this was one of my top favorite watches. I even mentioned it 10 minutes before the market opened, and I put it on my favorites list as well. And then right as the market opened, I called this out as a trade for the room. Okay, so if we go to the 5-minute chart, okay, look at this pre-market at $36. This is a 5-minute chart right there, pre-market at $36. So when this thing finally broke under 36, I jumped in it, guys, all right? And we'll go to the 2-minute here. I'll take the pre-market off for just a second, okay? And we'll go to a 2-minute chart, and that's it. It's simply a 1-minute, 2-minute low, guys. That's all this thing is. Why? Because the gap is so potent right there. See how it broke under 36? We used the high of the day as the stop. So 36.40, 36.45 was the stop. The entry was $36. So I'm always looking at $300 risk. I'm looking for $500 winners, $500 winners, okay? So in this case, that ended up being about 80 to 85 cents, okay? Notice it dropped, it consolidated there at like 35.20 or 35.00 and then dropped again. This is a relatively painless winner. You can see up here, guys, $508, okay? And to prove my point, make it even stronger. I don't need to do these things, but I'm going to make my point strong. I'm going to go to orders, and I'm going to go to filled orders. There it is, PCRX. You can see the date, you can see the time, and guys, I'm going to pull this all the way out so there's no confusion about this whatsoever, okay? Nobody else does this, by the way. Look at this. There's my fills. There's the order number. There's the account number. There's the order type. You can't fake that. There's the account number right up there, okay? See it? There's the account number. Okay, there's today's date. All right. Nobody else is going to do that for you. Why? Because they can't. All right. So I'm doing this to prove a point, guys, that you don't need a huge account to make good money. All right. You don't need a huge account to make good money. And on top of that, guys, there's a lot of charlatans out there in the industry. If you want to be a real trader, come over to Live Traders and follow me, guys. The other trade I took today was on SPOT, Spotify. Okay. SPOT. All right. And we took this, again, right here, guys, on this little shelf kind of breakout, this little buy setup breakout is what this was. And the order was 178.60, which you can see in the video when I'm finished here, okay? And The high right on that area is what is that? 178.64. Okay, so I used a $1 stop and this thing popped up about $3. So it went 3-to-1. I needed $500. Well, I only made $423 out of it. I got a little bit nervous, okay, and I got out a little bit too soon, okay? But at the end of the day, you can see at the bottom of the screen here is $911.41, guys, and I traded about 10 minutes today. About 10 minutes. I was actual trading about 6 minutes, but from the market open 9:30 to 9:40 I was done. In fact, let's take an exact look. See there it is, 9:40, guys, right there, 9:40 and 13 seconds. So my first trade was at 9:32. I was out my last trade at 9:40. That's 8 minutes of trading to make $900. I should have made $1,000, but again, I got a little bit jittery. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this trade review, guys. I try to do these 2 or 3 times a week. Even on my losing days, I do them as well. Again, how much money you make is a product of risk, okay? But you should not be risking lots of money when you first start trading. I'll repeat that. You should not be risking lots of money when you first start trading. I don't care how big your account is. The only thing making you risk a lot of money when you're new is your ego, all right? And you shouldn't be risking a lot if you don't know what you're doing. If you have no idea what you're doing, you're a brand new trader, you don't risk lots of money. Guys, I don't care if you're a 5-year trader or a 10-year trader. If you're not consistently profitable, you can't risk bigger amounts of money. All right, that's common logical sense right there. Okay, so please heed that advice. Money management is number one before everything. Before trade management, before patterns, money management, account management is number one. Blowing up a trading account is not a badge of honor. It's just stupid. Okay, so please learn from that. I don't care if you've been trading 6 months or 6 years. If you're not profitable, you should be risking about $25 per trade. No ifs, ands, or buts. None of this risk 90% of your buying power. I see all kinds of crazy stuff online, guys. And you know, when you hear things like that, you know they're not trading real money. Okay, you know it for sure. So if you want to be a real trader, you want to be a flexible trader, you want to be a live trader, guys, you come to Live Traders to be a live trader. Okay, so stick around, because for the next 8 minutes, you're going to actually see my fills on spot and PCRX in real time live. I do want to apologize. You'll see that little TechSmith thing across the screen. I was on a different computer this morning when I was trading, and I had to use the trial version of Camtasia. I apologize for that. I'm back on my laptop now, so things are good. But again, stick around for the next 8 minutes. You'll actually get to see my real fills, real exits, real entries, etc. I hope you enjoyed this trade review from Jared Wesley of Live Traders. Subscribe to my channel, and you'll get good things, guys. Emails, ebooks, all that kind of stuff, all right? So have a good one, guys. Jared Wesley of Live Traders. Take care. All right, guys. The market's opening here. I want to keep an eye on that Spotify. It was one of my favorite ideas, guys. So let's watch spot over that 180. As you guys can see, it was one of my pre-market faves. I really, really like PCRX and spot today. They're kind of my 2 favorites. I like AOBC, guys. Let's check this out under $12, guys. Under $12, guys. All right, let's look at this with a 25-cent stop, guys. Let's put an order in for this 25-cent stop. 12 by 12.25 short, guys. AOBC, 12 by 12.25 short. This is going to be a tough fill. I want to get it at 12.01 because I might get skipped at 12, but I'm going to take my chances on this, guys. AOBC, 12 by 12.25. My order's at 12.00 for 1,200 shares. Son of a... Okay, there it is, guys. I got skipped. I just took my order down, guys. You can see it just went 15 cents, guys. I just got skipped on AOBC. And it's funny because I mentioned I wanted to try to get it at 12.01 so I wouldn't get skipped. And sure enough, it didn't print a lot of shares in there, as you guys can see. Man, just frustration, okay? PayPal is moving up pretty good here, guys. Really ripping. That was one that was on the gap list today. Anywho, watch this PCRX, guys. I told you pre-market. I love the pre-market consolidation on this, and I really like it under 36 bucks. It is a nickel increment stock, so we're going to have to give it a little bit of room, guys. It's got about a 15-cent spread, so I'm thinking about 45 to 50 cents on this. So I'm going to share size for 50 cents, guys. 36 by 36.50. All right, I'm going to say 36.45. But I'm going to share size for 36.50. All right, so my order's at 36.00. The stop loss will be 36.45, but I'm share sizing for 36.50. Okay, so let's see. Share sizing, guys, as you know, for 50 cents. Okay, 50 cents. So just have your orders in. 36. There we go. I just got filled. Okay, good, a little initial, a little drop, but man, the spread on this thing, it really does open up sometimes, guys. 20 cents right there. So bringing my bracket order down, guys. So make sure my stop is in and my target is in, because, guys, if you don't have a bracket order, it's hard to scan for other stuff. You don't want to sit here and just stare at one trade the whole time. You don't want to do that, guys. So I'm going to put my bracket order in 36.45. I did get filled at 36.00. My target is 35.15, guys. 35.15. So I don't like the way this thing came back above break even, but there's nothing I can do about it at this point. We're going to follow the rules of our plan, and that's just the way it's going to be. If it stops us, it stops us. If it hits target, it hits target. It's been a bit of a challenging month, guys, but hey, that's the way it goes. We did well yesterday, but the previous days before that were a little tough. Also, guys, I want to apologize for the TechSmith where it says free trial right there. I'm on a different computer today, so I had to download the free trial on this computer instead of spending $300 or $400 for another one. I have it on like 4 computers, just not on this particular one. So I apologize, guys. So anyway, looking at PDCO, little 2-minute 3-bar play. We'll see if it materializes. Still needs another minute or two, but a 2-minute 3-bar play, very strong stock on PDCO. Okay, so let's keep an eye on that. All right, let's keep an eye on that. Gonna watch it here, kind of above the high there, with a stop under that red bar's low on the 2-minute. Right, I'm looking at the 2-minute chart there specifically. So let's keep an eye on the PDCO. Our PCRX is kind of hanging in there a little bit. All right, it's doing okay, not bad, not good. It's just kind of indifferent. All right. So I'm just kind of waiting on the PDCO. Remember, guys, I still want to keep an eye on that Spotify a little bit later on. I have it on my thumbnail watch list. I'm not letting up on that thing yet. Okay, I'm not letting up on that thing. I'm not letting up on that PDCO, guys. Okay, we'll keep an eye on it. 2-minute 3-bar play. If it triggers, then great. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. I'm just going to keep an eye on it. At the moment, it's kind of my top watch. I still want to watch the Spotify. SPOT, guys. Okay, I still want to watch Spotify. PCRX hanging out. PDCO, we're watching that. Spotify. Those are my 3. I'm a little bummed I got skipped on AOBC, but, you know, that's the way it goes at times. Okay. I want to apologize, guys, again, that TechSmith free trial thing. You know, it is what it is. All right, there we go, guys. All right, there we go. PCRX, guys. Move that stop to break even on PCRX. That's 1R, guys. There it is, PCRX. All right, move to break even, guys. I'm at break even. Okay, I'm at break even. My target's 35.15. Okay, GM looks a little lower here, but it's too quick for me. Yeah, I'm not ready yet on GM. Okay, on General Motors GM. PayPal still looks good, guys. I want to see 87.14 by 86.80, guys. 87.14 by 86.80. PYPL. PYPL. Okay? Looks pretty good. And remember, if it breaks the stop loss before it triggers, we'll just cancel it. Okay? I like the wedge on the 1-minute and the 2-minute, right? It's got a little flag, little wedge. It looks pretty good right there. So this thing could really rip if this thing if it triggers. But right now it's pulling back a little. It's holding VWAP, but we'll see. Ooh, PCRX, guys. Boom. Boom. Come on. Guys, I'm going to break my plan slightly here. I'm going to take half off a little bit early. Right there, guys. 35.30. I just took half off, which means I need 35.05. 35.05 to get my $500 target on this thing. Broke my plan a little bit there, guys. You know, it's been a tough month, so... but 35.05 to get full target, which would be $500, guys. This PYPL, I don't like that it's trading in the lower part of this range here. Okay, I don't like that at all. But, you know, if it breaks the plan, okay. All right, guys, here we go. PCRX, come on, baby. There, boom. Come on. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Full target, 35.05. We got $508 or $506, whatever it is. So nice job, PCRX, guys. Well done. Well done. Nice patience. It was one of the favorites in the pre-market. It was the best gap of the day, gapping under 2 wide-range green bars. Pre-market chart at 36. Beautiful, guys. Really pretty. All right, cancel PYPL, guys. Cancel PYPL. Okay, cancel this thing. It's just... guys, Spotify. Remember I was talking about this one earlier? I really like this pattern here with the gap. Let's do 178.60 by 177.60. 178.60 by 177.60. You got to give it at least 20 cents, guys. give it at least 20 cents on your stop limit order, okay? Unlike other chat rooms, I tell you how much room you need to get in on these things. And you know what? I was wrong on AOBC. I didn't give it enough room. But on Spot, SPOT, it's got a 20 to 30 cent spread. You got to give it at least the spread. And that's what I'm doing. I'm giving about 22, 23 cents on this thing. It's a $1 stop loss, so share size for slippage. All right, there it goes, guys. See that? It took 11 cents to get filled on this thing. It took 11 cents to get filled. So if I didn't give it that 20 cents, I may not have gotten filled. All right. Because I got some slippage on the entry, I'm going to take 20 of my 300 shares off. Just 20, guys. Just why? Because now I have a $330 risk, and if I stop with slippage, it could be 400. So, all right, cool. Oh, wow. Nice bounce, guys. We're up 1R. Go to break even, guys. Break even stop on Spot. I just took a little bit off right there, guys. A little bit at 179.85. I'm going to try to get the rest, guys, on the back half of this thing. I'm just a little bit jittery today after what's been going on lately. So I'm out 1/3 at 1R, guys. 1/3 at 1R. So I'll make at least 100. We're going to lock in at least $600 today, minimum. That's 2 to 1, 2R. But I'm still going to try to get $500 out of this thing. All right. It's done a nice job. But the one thing we have been seeing is a lot of stocks are going about 1R and then coming back against us, stopping us at break even, et cetera, and so forth. So just kind of the way things have been, you know. We'll see what happens with Spot. If it gets over 180, I think we'll be okay. But you know, we'll see how this thing plays out. Okay, see how it plays out. If we can get full target, we'll make almost $1,000 today, which would be awesome, right? You know, on top of the 500 yesterday. So we had 3 really bad days. Well, in 2 days, we're going to probably potentially get it all back. Come on, Spot. Don't do that, baby. Come on. This thing's really spready, guys, so careful. Going to take a little slippage if it stops, and we're getting close. See how close we are there? All right, come on, green bar. The spread opens up to like 40 cents. You got to be careful, guys. You got to be careful. This kind of a day is what I'm more accustomed to seeing, guys. Taking 2 quick trades off the open in the first 5 minutes and being done in 10 or 15 minutes. I mean, I'm not done yet. I'm still in Spot. You know, it's only, 9:39 or whatever time it is exactly. I mean, we're still early in the day, guys. There we go. Come on, baby. There we go. Okay, come on. One more little pop, guys. So get your orders ready. Get your orders ready. One more little pop. One more pop, guys. There we go. Boom. All right, guys. I'm out. Another 100 shares. Shit, I should have taken all of it right there. I should have taken all of it, guys. All right. We'll see if it comes back up. I sure hope so. I sure hope so. I will make $900 to $1,000 most likely today, guys. I might not get my full target on this, but I'm going to get close. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just a little bit more, guys. A little bit more. All right, guys, I'm out. I'm out. $911, guys, in 10 minutes today. And you know what? You're going to see 3,000 and 4,000 in 10 minutes in a couple months when the risk is higher. Awesome job, guys. Quick winners. Good job.